Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, where are you in?
We are in South Africa,
Yeah, in the airport.
in the airport, OR Tambo International Airport. Yeah.
You know my country, Madagascar?
Yes, I know Madagascar. It's a small island. It's a beautiful country. Your currency is Ariari, using Ariari there in Madagascar.
And what do you know about our crisis, political crisis?
You see, it's a bit of a problem when you come to talk about it. But it's not politics happening there. But things are getting better, and it's gonna be much better in the next few years if we are people and we stick together and we fight for what is right. That's what we believe in also in South Africa. So.
If you see it outside, have you a solution? If you know.
The solution must also come from leadership. When we have quality leadership, especially in African countries, we must have quality leadership. So the leadership must bring about change. I believe in that.
Okay, thank you. Your name?
My name is Tabo.
Wow, where are you living in South Africa?
I live right here in Johannesburg, South Africa. Not far from the
Okay,
airport.
and you are working at the airport?
Say again? Yeah, working at the airport. Yeah, I'm a shift worker at the airport, so
No.
I'm about to leave now. Actually, in the next 20 minutes or so.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, my friends.
Chipa babona pometa. Hey chipa babona pometa. Hey kisa yo bai kisa inuke. Hey chipa babona morona. Hey kisa yo bai kisa inuke. Hey kisa yo bai kisa inuke. Hey kisa yo bai kisa inuke. Chipa babona pometa. Oye lele, ay chipa babona pometa. Oye lele, ana oye lele, ona oye lele, ana oye lele, ana oye lele, ay chipa babona pometa. Ay chica yo voy quizá dinuke. Ay chica yo voy quizá dinuke. Ibon chaka chaka buna da mako kitina tor bala kare yo ai chipa babona babita ai chipa babona babuna ai chipa babona babita ai chipa babona babita ai bisa yo bai kisa dinuke ai bisa yo bai kisa dinuke.
Good morning, my friend.
Morning.
Oh, what do you know about my country, Madagascar?
A lot about Madagascar. I want to know how Madagascar is, how it feels to live in an island like Madagascar. I need to know more about Madagascar. Lot
Okay.
more, yeah.
And why you have this kind of hair? You look like blue and white.
No, this is our national flag color.
Okay.
Yeah. This is our color. Our
There
national
will
flag.
be a soccer match this afternoon.
Yeah, Zebras up against Malawi.
Yeah.
AFCON qualifications.
Okay, it's good. How is your name, my friend?
Resau Baka.
Who?
Resau Baka.
Yeah, it means like Rasomaka in Malagasy. Okay.
Yeah, Botswana.
Yeah. Thank you, my friend.
Thanks.
Yeah, you can, the flag. I'm proud of my flag.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
It's a Botswana flag. Thank you. Good morning, my friend.
Morning.
You are in front of Gabon Sun. Do you know Madagascar?
I don't know Madagascar. I like to come to Madagascar and come and see so many people, make friends there, come and enjoy life and see how people live in Madagascar.
What do you know about the crisis in Madagascar?
No, I don't know nothing at the moment. I just want to hear from you people from Madagascar and you tell me what is happening in Madagascar and next time I visit you.
Yeah, I thank you therefore, and I will see you again in my country.
I will definitely-
Okay, your name, please?
My name is Patrick.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye.
thank you very much.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah. Manoni,
In Babau,
zo, ianao ve gasy tsy gasy?
tsy ngasy kelikely.
Kelikely?
Eh.
Domelany ianao zany?
Dumelany, tsisy teny Dumelany.
Dia mandalo sa
Mandanza.
you stay in Botswana? Or
No, South Africa du Sud.
South Africa? Okay. The country of Nelson Mandela.
No, my country.
Your
Mandela-
country?
Mandela's Kelly. Look at me, I'm bare. So,
You know Madagascar?
yes. Rough Tooth, Romazav, and everything. Yeah.
And what do you think? What do you think about this crisis?
You know Gash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know anything about accreditation? Chish accreditation. Chish. Maybe you can try and find out.